Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Stumble Guys with Facebook. So if you want to do that, first, launch Open Stumble Guys application on your device. Once you're inside this main homepage, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. You will then be able to see three options under settings. You can either log into your Stumble Guys account with Facebook and get it connected. You can use Apple account or email. To sign in and connect your Facebook account with Stumble Guys, tap on the Facebook login option at the very top. It'll then ask you to allow the apps and website to share information about you. Tap continue and it'll take you to facebook.com. Now enter your Facebook account's email or mobile number followed by its password. Go to the first text box and type in your email or mobile number. On the next field, type in your Facebook account's password. After filling in the information, tap on the login button. Now click on the continue button and then you'll be able to log in to Stumble Guys with Facebook. Now you can start playing your game. That is how you can easily log in to Stumble Guys via Facebook. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.